Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CrowdStreet Tools, full guide step by step clearly. To begin installing CrowdStreet Tools, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Visit the official CrowdStreet website using your preferred web browser. Locate the Tools section on the website's main navigation menu. Click on the download button associated with the CrowdStreet Tools. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Choose your preferred installation directory when prompted. Ensure that you accept any necessary terms and conditions. Once you've confirmed, the installation will begin. Wait until the installation process completes, which may take a few moments. After installation, you may need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Once restarted, find the CrowdStreet Tools icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to launch CrowdStreet Tools for the first time. You may be prompted to log in using your CrowdStreet credentials. Enter your username and password to access the tools. Once logged in, explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the features. Refer to the user guide for detailed explanations of each tool's functionality. You are now ready to start using CrowdStreet Tools effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.